Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. We are back to use the same colors, just two colors, plus green for the leaves, flowers in a garden. So the cell activator that I like to use for my puddles will be Prussian blue mixed with oxide black, and I use the Australian floral. This is Teal from Golden. This is a custom purple. It is transparent that I made up. Phthalo blue and fluorescent, Liquitex fluorescent pink. So this is a 14 by 14. So I did it on a 8 by 10. Now we're gonna go bigger, 14 by 14. My pillow paint is PPG Multi Pro. Ooh, that moves fast. Let's scoot it over this way a little bit. All right, there we go. Let's get started. So teal, I'm gonna make my two puddles first. I'm starting with blue, then I'm gonna go with the custom purple in the middle and also around it. Whoops. Okay, now I'm just gonna leave that, other than I'm gonna torch for bubbles because I see a lot of little bubbles. But now I'll do my green leaves. All right, kind of off, but that's kind of the way it is. Okay, now the cell activator that I use for my leaves though is not that. I mean, it's a dark green. So let me put those on. Whoops, I don't want too much, just a tiny drop if I can. All right. And let's see, where's my blow dryer? The small one. This you can get it on Amazon. It's called the world's smallest blower. What? Yep. And it's on Amazon. So let's go. Okay. Now I'm going to put the Prussian blue mixed with oxide black cell activator on. And the blow dryer this time I'm going to be using is flower. I hold it upside down on low. Okay, that's good. Now, here. It'll take a while for that to all come together. Sorry, honey. Look in the pencils of the pens. Let's see. Don't really like that white, but no. Sometimes I can put some color on my skewer if there's a part I don't like, and I'll just kind of, you know, add color. Now the centers are coming together, and in the meantime, I will make my petals. Let's make it a little more defined. You know, actually, I'm gonna put some purple on my, I want some to make it defined. See how I'm going in the green? That's kind of funky there. Let's see what I can do that. There, I'm gonna blow with a straw. All right, that's better. Okay, and on this flower, well, I have to get rid of this. Let's see, let's go in. So this one was already kind of sticking out, so I didn't really make the tail that long, whereas this one was shorter, so I kind of make it a longer tail. Now for the green, I just kind of like this. Make curly cues.
Wait, what kind of are you doing it?
Yes, honey. I am. So using the same colors that we did. Okay. These two colors, maybe when we spin it out, it will look more like two separate blooms, but they're looking, they're kind of melting into each other, I think. Well, let's see. There's a dot here. Okay, let's spin it out and see. Now a lot of the leaves, of course, will come off, but we'll see. Oh, the center is gorgeous. I love that. Okay, it is off center, so let's see if we can scoot it down. Did you see that? A bug just flew into it. Oh my gosh, and it's still alive. Oh, what can I do? Look, Lyra, the little bug. See that? It just flew in there. Oh, goodbye, buggy. Okay, now I have to kind of...
Did it die?
Yes. Okay, excuse me.
That's sad.
Yeah, that's sad. I hate to stretch it like that, but normally I wouldn't. But this spinner, it only fits on... Stretch it back. It's the exact size on the inside, so it's not like I can move it one way or the other. Okay, a few drops here and there. I love that center. Okay, let's give it another spin. Not too much. I don't want to lose too much of everything. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I don't think I want to. I don't want to spin it anymore. I made the blooms a little too big because I'm losing some of it. But I just love the colors when it really, when you spin it and it just opens everything up. All right, this will go in my Blooms Going Larger series.
Where did the bug?
Oh, the bug's over here somewhere now. It's gone.
I'm popping bubbles.
I'm popping bubbles, that's right. Mikey knows. He's only 4. All right, my friends. Another beautiful
That's this.
flowers in a garden.